Hello students, a very good morning to everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about how do you make your own magnet. Now can you make a magnet by yourself? Obviously yes. You actually make a magnet. Let's suppose take a iron piece or iron bar and a magnet bar. Alright, this is a bar magnet. Now place one of the magnet's pole at the edge of the iron bar. Now slide the magnet towards the other edge of the iron bar without lifting the magnet. You can't lift the magnet, you just slide the magnet towards the other edges. You just slide like this. You just slide the magnet toward the other. Then you left. Now left the magnet and place at the initial position again. Okay. Now repeat the same position, same process about 30 to 40 times. Now bring a pin or some iron filling near the iron bar, this one, to check whether it has become a magnet. So you will see the pins and iron fillings stick to the iron bar, this iron piece, because this iron piece now magnetized, and now this iron piece have a property to attract iron things because this iron piece is now magnetized. Now if after 30 to 40 times we just do the process, and when we put some iron fillings and iron pins to check this iron piece become a magnet, and if they are not attracted to this iron piece, so we continue the process for some more time. And one thing we should remember, that the pole of the magnet and directions of its movement, pole of the magnet and directions of its movement should not change. You can also use an iron nail, a needle, a blade, and convert them into a magnet. Means you can also use blade, you can also use iron nail and needle, and you can convert them into magnet. So now how we make our own magnet? We just take a iron piece or anything which is made up of iron, okay, and take a bar magnet like this and slide the magnet towards the other ends, okay, without lifting the magnet. And we have to repeat this process 30 to 40 minutes after 30 to 40 times, and after 30 to 40 times you will see this iron piece is behave like a magnet. All right, so this is how we can make our own magnet. Next one is magnetic field. So a magnetic field is a region around the magnet. If suppose here is a magnet, so the region around the magnet, the region around the magnet where its magnetic force can be felt is called magnetic field of the magnet. You know that magnetic force acts from a distance, right? But this force become weaker until at some distance away, okay. So until at some distance away it is not felt. So region around the magnet where its magnetic force can be felt is called magnetic field. You can also check a magnetic field. How you can check? Suppose This is a bar magnet, and you just take iron filling and or a iron pin. So if the iron pin put near the magnet, you will see the iron pin quickly get attracted to the magnet, towards the magnet. All right. But if we take this take iron pin and keep this iron pin some distance from the magnet, you will see iron pins will not attracted towards the magnet, because here the magnetic force becomes weaker. Okay, so the magnetic force acts from a distance. Okay, but this force is weaker and weaker until at some distance away it is not felt. So region around the magnet where its magnetic force can be felt is called magnetic field of the magnet. And this magnetic field can be verified by placing a compass needle near a magnet, and if the needle shows deflection, so that means there is a magnetic field. You know that the needle shows deflection due to the magnetic force of a magnet. So compass can be verified the magnetic field of the magnet. Now the next one and the last topic is uses of magnets. So magnets have a large number of applications in our life, like used in compass to find directions, and credit cards, ATMs cards are and identity cards have a strip of magnetic material that store information. Okay, television and computer monitors use magnets, and magnets are used in picking up substance which are made up of iron. Okay, so there are so many uses of magnets in our day to day life, and magnet are also used in computer hard disk, and audio and video cassettes have magnetic material that store information. So magnets have a large number of uses in a life. You have seen in your home so many things which are made up of magnets, like your refrigerator, television, speakers. All right.